Afternoon, sir. Good afternoon, Ma'am Sumikay. Good afternoon, teachers.
How are you?
Good.
Yes. See, now before you take your seat, I want you to pick up some pieces of papers. And then put it in your pockets and then throw it to the trash can after our session. Okay, do it now. Now take your seat. Once again, good afternoon class. I am Ramil Martinez de la Cruz. I am your teacher this morning and I will be teaching you physical education this afternoon. But before that, let me present to you my class rules first. These rules will be obeyed during and entire the session of this afternoon. So this would be the class rules. Number one, be respectful. So you need to respect everybody here in the classroom by respecting others' opinion. When someone is speaking, everybody must listen. Okay. Next, we have be responsible. Be responsible in a way that when I have activity, do it, and then when I say times is up, then that's the time you will end doing your job. So is it clear to everybody?
Yes.
Okay, and then the third and the fourth one is be observe silence and be kind. And last one, raise your hand to speak. So I don't want to hear any answer at chorus. I want you to raise your hand, and when I call your name, that's the time you will give your idea for your answer. As the class rules is understood?
Yes.
Okay, very good. Now, are you ready to learn?
Yes.
Parang hina, are you ready to learn?
Yes.
Ready na? Ready na?
Ready na, ready na.
No, ready na? Ready na? Ready na? Ready na? Again. Ready na? Ready na?
Ready na, ready na.
Very good. Let us check your attendance first. Who is the class secretary? I want you miss to take note your classmate who is not around and your classmate who is present today, and then note it and pass to me later on after our class. Okay, thank you so much. Now let us have our first activity. Are you familiar of the activity named Share Me? No. In this activity, I will group the class into three groups, and the groupings will be done through rounds of. So let's have rounds of first. One. Three. For the group number one, stay here, and I want you to leave the group number one. Number one, in this activity, what we're going to do is to assign your group a number. So choose the best 6 numbers. So you need to assign your group number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So, di ba, I will show you a picture and share your idea. So the person who will share his idea or her idea will be based on our dice. So when the dice turns number 6, the number 6 of each group will be the one who will give their ideas. Is that clear to everybody? Okay. Now, but before that, let me introduce to you first my, everybody's listening? Yes. So this is my group 2 writing. This would be the incentive chart. So this would be the group 1, group 2, and the group 3. So the basis of this will be point system. We have 5 points and 10 points. It will be based on your answers. So this is my reward station. It will be your grading points. So you'll receive a ball pen equivalent to 5 points. And then you'll receive a 5 pen equivalent to 10 points. That's clear? So remember that your participation and your behavior will be based on the points that I will give to you. So when the group is noisy, then basically I will minus your points. Is that clear?
Yes.
Okay. Now the first picture is, I will just give you an idea of what the picture looks like, okay? So the first image will be a girl who is doing squat. Do you know what squat is? Okay, that's squat. Yeah. So that is the first image. So let's start with number 3. It's number 1. Okay, you can read your ideas and your insights about squat. So
So sir, for the squat po, basically we use it po for exercise or like for beginning of the dance, like our school routine po. Then, ang squat din po, it applies random energy to do that, and it is a form of warm-up, and we can easily do it like this.
Okay, very good for that. Group 3 will receive 5 points. Okay, now you may now take your seat. Now are you ready for the next activity?
Yes.
You know the activity name Paint Me a Picture?
Yes.
Okay, since you know, I will just give you further idea of what our mechanics will be. So the mechanics of the game with the same group, so we have 3 groups, so still the same group. And then the mechanics of the group is that I will show you a picture again, and what you're going to do is to recreate the picture. So you're going to recreate the picture, and then you will be given, we'll only give it 30 seconds rather. So you'll have 30 seconds to recreate the image, and then when the time is up, you will strike your best pose based on the picture. So the best group who captures the best pictures wins the game. So we have 5 rounds. So do your best because this will be the basis of your grades. At the end of the incentive chart, at the end of the session, we will compute your tabulated score, and the highest group will receive a points from their performance. Are you ready?
Yes.
Since my presentation is not functioning with the same mechanics earlier, I will just mention you what we are going to do. For example, 1 girl is squatting, 1 boy is doing push-ups, 5 girls is running. Do you get that? Do you get the idea?
Yes.
Okay, our first scenario is 2 girls are doing squat. You listen first. 2 girls, warning group 1. 2 girls are doing squat. And warning group 3. 2 girls are doing squat. 4 girls are running. And 1 boy is doing push-up. Clap once if you are ready. Hindi pa ready yung group 2. Clap twice if you are ready. Okay, since you are ready, your timer starts now. Time's up. And the winner of the first round, congratulations, Group 3. For the last round, 1 girl is bending. 2 girls are doing back pedals. And 1 girl is doing high knees. The winner of the last round will be, congratulations, Group 2. You can now take your seat. Our next activity will be our lesson proper, but we will do it creatively. So we will have a creative reporting. Do you know what this creative reporting is? Okay, I have here an envelope. So this is a designated envelope for each group. I have here the topic and then a pen. All you need to do is to write your details or what is your concept chosen by your topic. So, may topic dito sa box at ito ang i-report nyo. So, it's up to you what you are going to do in your creative reporting. It's either you will have a talk show, broadcasting, or anything as long as creative in your own way. So, do you understand our instruction?
Yes, sir.
Okay, you may start now. Have 1 minute. Our topic this morning is all about training principles. So what do you mean by training principles? Anybody from the... What do you mean by training principles? On your idea lang. There's no wrong answer since it's all idea. Yes, please.
In my opinion, training principles is a combination of different exercises that disciplines a person to maintain their fitness and physical health.
Exactly. Thank you so much. Another hand. Yes, you are ready to answer. What do you mean by training principles on your idea? Nana. Okay. Yes. Louder your... Another last one, yes.
Training principles are the principles needed to be followed in order to operate.
Okay, very good. So all your answers are correct. Training principles are the principles that for an athlete or anybody can be aware of what the training will be. So the training principles, ito yung mga susundin nila, the mga training guidelines on how to improve their fitness. Exactly sa sinabi nga niya. So now let's proceed to what are the different training principles. So let's start from the specificity. We're going to pick specificity. Okay, good. One. Okay, you may start. But before that, inside the folder, I already provided you the rubrics for the presentation. Listen, group 1. Let me read you first the rubrics. First, originality for 25 points. Content and quality, 25 points. Presentation, 25 points. And clarity, 25 points. A total of again, 25 for originality, 25 for quality, 25 for presentation, and 25 for clarity. Okay, a total of 100 points.
Good morning, Salmon. Good morning, Philippines. This is Group 1. This is Group 1. For number 1, who here's the common type of training principles. We have progression. So progression is to improve and continue to develop training programs to take progressively harder.
So with progression, the basic idea is that over time, your exercises become more and more harder depending on how strong or your physicality. So with progression, for example, in the beginning, you will try to do simple squats, right? You try to do squats. Nothing hard, nothing. But over time, you try to branch out into different types of squats that are extremely hard or harder to do in comparison to what you do.
Thank example of progression is we have, like for example of easy walking. So next is specificity. Training programs must be specific to the needs of the sport and the performer. For example, the training teams of a cross country runner will be different from those of a training.
Exactly. So, for specificity, you have to try and think about what you're going to do or what types of muscles you're going to do. You're not going to do like push-ups and such kung rather ka man, di ba? Kung low type of lifter ka, hindi ka gawin ng mga sa taas. Usually squats, more on jogging. Yeah.
So example is
Sit up for course.
and also my grandma is stretching. So the given example of that, they can use that practice as an exercise and they perform. Like example, they are going to perform in any countries for like a specific sport they are doing. So they can use that exercise to strengthen the muscle and to prepare their self. And that's all what they do.
Okay, thank you so much, Group 1. Let's give Group 1 an amazing clap. You know how to do an amazing clap? 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, zing, 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 amazing. Okay, do it now. 1, 2, 3, go. 1, 2, 3, zing, 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 amazing. Okay, thank you so much. We start now.
So, good morning, good afternoon, everyone. We will talk about, the group two will talk about our Guys, listen to me. Oh my gosh. Guys, do you know about overload? What is that? You are overload. Ay, naku guys, galing na ako, Jeep. With overload, it is for the body to become fitter, the body must work harder, much harder than normal. Yun yung overload. Ano ba kayo? Well, it's just like they have a core principle, which is speed. Frequency, intensity, time, and time. Wait. First of all, you can exercise. What about you, Tamlin?
Yes, I exercise like 2 times a week.
Wait.
We only 2 times a week. I exercise for like 3 times a week per week.
You're also weak. I exercise every day.
What about
You're
you?
also weak, bro.
I think once a week. I always sleep in the house. So guys, the meaning of frequency is how often do you exercise? Let me one of the exercise guys. How often do you exercise? And the exercise ba dito?
Yes!
So bali guys, yun ang meaning of frequency. How often do you exercise? Okay guys, so yung next is yung intensity. So kahit na like, syempre, 3 times a week ka di ba nag-exercise? Pinagbubutian mo?
Yes, of
Yes.
course.
Ikaw?
Yes.
Kayo guys?
Yes!
Kayo?
Yes.
So, okay guys, yung next is guys, how long ba kayo nag-exercise? Pag mag-exercise kayo, dapat na kayo. Matagal ba kayo nag-exercise? Dapat may ano yan siya. Kasi may mga minutes and para mag-exercise. So, yun na guys. Wait lang. Di ba kayo kayo pang-class? Ay, oo pala! Ito ba yung kung ano class yung exercise yung ginagawa ko sa sports? Oo. Kayo, ano ba exercise ginagawa niyo?
Ano ba ginagawa mo daw? Pupush up ako mga 50 push-ups.
So, guys, kailangan siya respect sa basketball. Dapat malakas yung katawan nila. Ayun, so, ito mga tips na dapat ginagawa nila kasi para maging physically fit sila. Ay, tayo dapat may ginagawa natin. Okay. So, yun sa So,
have explained kung ano yung topic nila. So basically, I will add more. To become fitter, the body must work harder than normal. So it unders overload. For example, in a gym, so sa mga gym, may mga bodybuilder. So for example, in the first week, there is a duration at kung anong time yung gagawin nila. And then there repetition. Do you follow group 1? Makinig. The duration and the, ano yung sinabi ko? Duration and the repetition. The duration and the repetition. For example, in the first week, they repeat it 10 times. And then in the next week, ano gawin nila? Oh, increase. So very good. So we have feet, frequency, how often do you exercise? For example, on Monday, you will do exercise, and then for the Tuesday, for example, another exercise, and then Wednesday, rest, and then Friday, cool down. So that is how often you exercise. Next, intensity, how hard do you exercise? So we have moderate and vigorous activity. And the last is the time. Yung sinabi ko na yung time, kung ano yung how minutes or how many minutes or how many hours gagawin nila yung specific training. And the last is the time. An exercise is not good for your sport, di ba? Although may across training tayo, for example, yung mga pickleball, they can also train swimming, it's called across. Pero somehow, i-focus natin yung based on our type of sport. For example, again, for the gymnastic, we focus on the flexibility. Badminton, focus on agility and the reaction time. And same with volleyball, reaction time and agility. So, let us create a group 2. For the originality, you'll have 25 points. Content, quality, 25 points. Presentation, 25 points. And clarity, you'll have 24 points. Total of 99. Now let's finish the last. Double time, group 3.
Good afternoon, everyone. Your gym rat is back. So, do you want to become a gym rat like bro back there that have a big and physique muscle, or have a physique or fitness body like Bulan back there? So follow our video and do this fitness principle. So today we're going to discuss about that RT. So we have first the R, reversibility. Exercise improve fitness. If you stop exercising, our fitness definitely will drop. Look at that. So if we train our muscles, it will become bigger, like gym rats. It's called hypertrophy, by the way. Alternatively, if we stop training hard or doing our muscle or front muscle or doing the fitness tips that we're going to do, we're going to have a smaller muscles like it's called atrophy, by the way. So for the team.
So guys, today I'm going to discuss with you. So it is said that training must be varied. By the word varied, dapat iba-iba or may application. This is na kada araw. To ensure the athlete performance. So guys, to ensure or performer maintains control. So guys, wait, stop na guys. So for example, pag training, yung training nyo ngayon is let's say jumping jacks, tapos tomorrow jumping jacks na naman. So the day after jumping jacks naman, mabuboard ka. Tulad ng taon na to. So diba, nawalan siya ng motivation, kaya ayun.
Okay. clap. 1, 2, 3, go. Okay, thank you so much, Billy, for your very comprehensive presentation. So, na-explain talaga nila further and clearly yung topic nila. Responsibility, teacher, and yun. And then for that, you will receive 10 points. And group 1 will receive 10 points. Now let's grade the group number 3. You have 25 points, 25 points, 25, and 24. Congratulations. Now, are you ready for our short quiz? Before that, do you have any questions, clarifications based on our topic? May questions ba? You can ask now. During our quiz, malalaman natin kung naiintindihan niyo ba yung topic natin, which is the training. If not, then let's have our short quiz. Okay, all eyes here, listen, everybody listen. Imagine ko yung points nyo. Listen. Listen, group 1. So, for your assignment, I want you to create your fitness plan. Alam niyo paano gawin yung fitness plan? So, I will just give an example for you to be able to make your own fitness plan. So, you will make your own fitness plan. For example, you will choose volleyball and then you are going to make your own fitness plan. For example, on Monday, you will make squat, and then Tuesday, pull up, and the next day, rest, and the next day, cool down. Do you follow? Any questions, clarifications, and violent reactions? Wala? So now, so for our generalization, always remember to take care of your fitness and your body, because what you do to your body can lead to your survival. So that's all for today. Thank you so much for listening. Goodbye, class.